Welcome to Top Picks Now. The Best Ice Cream 365 is probably one of the most exciting ice cream subscription services available. With a wide variety of flavors and the convenience of home delivery, it's a dream come true for ice cream lovers. This video will explore the different aspects of Ice Cream 365, from its unique offerings to the overall value it provides. We'll dive into what makes this subscription stand out and help you decide if it's the perfect treat for you. Number 5. LeapFrog Ice Cream Cart Deluxe, Pink. This ice cream playset comes with a magic scooper. It is designed to scoop up ice cream and toppings, creating delicious-looking treats. It also helps kids learn about colors and flavors. Follow the instructions on the order cards to build memory and sequencing skills. You can create a toy ice cream masterpiece for your pretend customers. Press the syrup pump or coin button to practice counting to 10. You can add just the right amount of syrup. Customers can use the play money to pay for their ice cream. Push this ice cream play set all around the house. You can serve ice cream to friends and family. It also plays playful, upbeat music. This kid's ice cream stand is intended for ages 2+. It requires 3 AA batteries, which are included. It also includes tokens, an ice cream scoop, order cards, and ice cream flavors. What we like? This ice cream cart is perfect for little ones. It's designed to be fun and educational, helping kids learn while they play. If you have a toddler who loves ice cream and imaginative play, this is a great choice. What people say. The ice cream maker is easy to use. It makes delicious ice cream. The machine is easy to clean. Number 4. Cuisinart IC45P1 Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. Introducing the Cuisinart IC45P1, a fully automatic ice cream maker. It creates delicious soft serve, yogurt, sorbet, and sherbet in just 20 minutes. No chemicals, salt, or ice are needed, making it incredibly easy to use. This machine comes with 3 condiment containers. You can easily add your favorite mix-ins like sprinkles or mini chocolate morsels. It dispenses the mix-ins directly into your ice cream as it's made. Dispensing is simple. Just pull down the handle to get that authentic soft serve swirl. It's perfect for cones or bowls, and everyone will love it. It has an on-off power dial, a cone holder, and a removable drip tray for easy cleaning. There's also a mix-in gauge to help you choose the right size of mix-ins. This ice cream maker is BPA-free and comes with a 3-year limited warranty. It includes instructions and recipes to get you started. Enjoy making your own delicious treats at home. What we like? This machine brings the soft serve experience right to your kitchen. With its convenient mix-in dispensers, you can customize your ice cream with your favorite toppings. If you are looking for a fun and easy way to make delicious soft serve at home, this is the one for you. What people say. The bowl gets plenty cold if your freezer is plenty cold. The mix-in thingy worked perfectly. It makes soft serve with great texture that rivals the real thing. Number 3. Whynter ICM 200LS 2.1 QT Automatic Ice Cream Maker. This ice cream maker was awarded Tech Gear Lab's Best Overall. It can make up to 2 quarts of fresh, delicious homemade ice cream per batch. You can add fruit, nuts, syrups, and more to make fully customized frozen treats at home. Forget pre-freezing. This self-cooling electric ice cream maker is super convenient. It allows you to quickly and easily make gelato, ice cream, and sorbet using ingredients you trust. This ice cream maker features a powerful built-in compressor. It allows for continuous use without the inconvenience of having to pre-freeze the removable bowl. A BPA-free churn blade is also included. Unlike other ice cream makers, this one has an extended cooling function. This prevents ice cream from melting and a motor protection function that protects against overheating or damage. Never sacrifice style for functionality again. This ice cream machine features a sleek stainless steel exterior. It also has a user-friendly soft-touch LCD control panel. What we like? This ice cream maker is a winner, literally. It features self-freezing technology, so no pre-freezing is needed, and it allows for continuous batches. If you like making ice cream frequently and want a hassle-free experience, consider this. What people say. It freezes quickly, churns consistently, and produces a dense, creamy texture without needing to pre-freeze a bowl. The compact size is a big plus. It sits nicely in the corner of our countertop without taking up too much space. This ice cream maker is amazing. It will make 2.1 quarts at a time, although I'm experimenting with different recipes, so I haven't gone for volume yet. I get a quart of ice cream in about 45 minutes and frozen yogurt in about 35 minutes. Number 2. Honest Company Lavender Calm Bubble Bath 12 Fluid Ounces. Introducing a tear-free bubble bath, perfect for the whole family. It's designed for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. This product makes bath time fun and safe for everyone. This bubble bath is made with naturally derived ingredients. It's gentle on the skin, and it's perfect for babies. The product is a great choice for your family. The Lavender Calm scent is a blend of lavender essential oils and chamomile extract. It creates a relaxing and soothing experience. The scent will make bath time a treat. This product is made without parabens, dyes, synthetic fragrances, silicones, sulfates, formaldehyde donors, and phthalates. You can trust this product for your family's safety. It's a great choice for your family. This bubble bath is hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested. It's also cruelty-free and made in the USA. It is gentle enough for babies and perfect for sensitive skin. What we like. This bubble bath is designed with babies in mind, but it's great for the whole family. It's gentle, tear-free, and made with naturally derived ingredients. If you are looking for a safe and soothing bath time experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The ice cream maker is very easy to use. It makes delicious ice cream in about 20 to 30 minutes. The machine is easy to clean. Number 1. Ninja CREAMi Cookbook, 365 Recipes for Beginners. Are you ready to elevate your dessert game? This cookbook is your key to unlocking a world of frozen delights. It's packed with recipes for everyone. With a recipe for every day of the year, you'll never run out of ideas. It includes ice creams, sorbets, shakes, and more. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, this book has something for you. It offers easy-to-follow instructions and advanced techniques. Explore a variety of treats beyond traditional ice cream. This cookbook provides recipes for all your favorite frozen treats. It is a must-have for any dessert lover. This cookbook is designed to help you master your Ninja CREAMi. It will guide you through every step of the process. Get ready to create the perfect frozen treats. What we like. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to ice cream creativity. It offers a wide variety of recipes for all skill levels. If you like experimenting with different flavors and textures, this book will be your best friend. What people say. The recipe book has many great ideas for making different frozen desserts. The book offers a variety of recipes to prep for processing with the Ninja CREAMi. Each section offers recipes for each function of the machine. The book is quite clear to read and understand for everything you want to do, i.e. ice cream, sorbet, and everything else. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.